I don't need to choose. Quamolit call. Sample call package. Let's try. Oh no. There would probably be some problems. There is problems. That's being called on command sample.call. I think this is enough for now. Yeah. And this load is undefined. Just load and print line. Print line. Code updated. Define main function and enable console print line app started and set and set load just no main function. No. So anyway, there's a log. The log here, and I'm going to require the code of Quamolit, and yeah, actually here's demo. Here's demo I wrote in wrote before. So I will write it again. So in this example, I'm going to require Quamolit.call refers this function render page configure cameras and set up events. Also, Quamolit util call time get is just a shorthand of just data value of just get Unix time in digits and convert it up no that tools. Actually we are not needed, probably, maybe, or I don't know, but not for now. In update function, I think I can add very simple. Update first right now, and it should be store updated. Yeah, it's like this, and I will just return this store here. So I'm going to define something called store reference atom 0. I think it's enough. States ref for the states, and it's an what's the name? It's an atom of hash map and even an empty hash map. And update is like this, and I'm going to add a dispatch function. Dispatch is going to update the store. Yeah, but with mutation. I don't need a new T here by now. Yeah, I'm just going to set store reference with new store. New store is update, calling update on store reference, and then with op and update. Actually, it does nothing at this moment. In the main function, I'm going to install their tools. So I can do something. I don't like it. So this targeter icon, I will write query selector just document and app. It should be here, and I start config canvas, pass target to it, setup. I think I got to get some programs here. Yeah. I should pass this thing inside. So here's the program. Markup. This is the code actually in Quamolit, and maybe it should not be here. It's just in render page, and render loop, render page, and store. I shouldn't pass the render loop here. So anyway, I'm going to fix it here at this moment, and here's the component. Yeah. So by doing this, I'm going to update 0.1. Give a try. So this is called in Quamolit project itself, not in my example, and I'm going to update this to update 1.0.1 and fix and continue here. So this is the run page. Oh, sorry. Did I make mistakes? Sorry. I'm gonna fix it. It should be very quick. So this one should be container component container to component container to no, it should be here. So it's here, and the component container can be data command. And be passed down from front page, and in this one, this does not require container, and here they just get a mockup of the computed thing, and I'm going to build it again. Anyway, it should work this time, and I'm not sure actually. So continue going here, and now I'm going to write setup events. Set up events on targets with target and dispatch. And now render loop. That's the render loop. And if I use and the render loop is I'm going to maybe I can make it shorter by never mind. It's okay. So I need to get this target again. So I'm just going to copy the code here and paste here. So I got to get the target and run the page and call the page. It's actually a container. It's actually a container with store ref. So you know that states reference and target. So component container is not defined yet. Anyway, I'm going to define it later. Loop reference. Where's the loop reference? I haven't defined it yet. Yeah. So define once. Loop reference at the neo is actually a Unix 10 digit like we get in Quamolit. It's actually not used by our code. It's handled in Quamolit, and you just define the code here and request animation frame and loop. So now we need to define the container. Let's check here. It's compiling, but it should tell me that it's undefined. Yeah, it's undefined. So this is a boilerplate for Quamolit, and one more thing. I need to point events to render the yeah. This so I'm too lazy. On the size, so configure canvas mostly on width and height change, and also just maybe I think it is too long to write and copy it here. So cancel animation ran, just pass the digit here and call it again to update the code in the that was already binded to window the request animation frame. So it's actually for hot code sweeping in environment. If you don't need that, you just leave it. So I'm going to define component, directory component, which So here I'm going to create a container.shell script. So I'm going to check out how. Oh, it looks bad. It looks bad. So I'm going to create anyway. Actually, I remembered how to create a component. So I will write it without text. Code to copy container. Yeah. Require. I'm going to put Quamolit code. Quamolit code is in the refer create component and director, and also we need HSL.core refer HSL is just HSL subject, and I define render function. It's like RESTful, just a RESTful style. Actually, I shared some code by copy pasting, and so they may look similar. Look familiar in both states, both libraries. So it's actually tick. I've got this parameter, and yes, it's tick. So I'm going to render rector. So what? Style, yeah. It's like very background. Maybe I should leave it as empty here. Define component container. Create component container. Render. And here, so bug again. Oh, why is it so long? So I need to run this. Yeah. Okay. So why it doesn't work? Component container is not defined. It's actually defined, but not required here. Container container is wrong. But why is not defined during checking? Quamolit example. Well, I should say it's not that bad. It's not bad. Maybe. I think it's using old version of Quamolit, and it's the component container is inherited from that project, so it's actually not something I want. So how much time? Sorry. Wait for the compilation. And yeah, it's here now, but nothing is rendered. It might be true. Field style. Sorry. Field story. So black rectangle, yeah, black rectangle, and change this to blue. I like it. Maybe for bright. Anyway, so this is a basic component in Quamolit. Wait a minute. Yeah. Expose markup bump 0011. Yeah, it's actually deployed. In. I'm going to. 011. I'm going to release this version because it's working, and the last version is not working. Ignore the target here. So yes. So here's basically an example of quality, and I think it's not enough because it's always not enough to make a simple app with just a rectangle. Now I'm going to oh, that's why. Continue. Click canvas. Oh yeah. Click canvas just should count the target. So it's not that simple. So it's a function of event and still add here target. So what's the target? Target is choose this. Hope it's right. Yeah. So I should add everything here. Anyway. So this is not enough. I'm not going to add a basic transition, but let me come first. Commit, dimensional, selector, render, and I'm going to add something. Maybe a comment. I'm just going to make a very simple example since Quamolit would be very tedious if I'm going to write a very long very long code. So I'm going to add a button here. So this button, I can look to the color of the button. Yeah, but the tricky thing is there's always errors to name it with that. Required right here. I don't like random render writing this directory because the practice makes me unhappy. I only print a button and yeah, and render element. There is some element I defined before. Oh no, I should not use that. No. So I text him, and actually I think I have two. Yeah. The Quamolit and render element. Translate. Maybe not use this here. And Quamolit iterate instant is really instant, just iterate instant. And maybe I can add more abstraction later because there's something I call factor in here. You'll see later because component toggle, but toggle button create component toggle button and render. I'm feeling hungry at this moment. And I'm going to finish it very quickly to check and I want to add a division here, but I will write the division by myself. And it's not background anyway. So 0 this time. Oh, why not? Iterate. Iterate, not iterate. So what's the program? It's not here, it's not here. Iterate. Quamolit this is weird. Anyway, I'm going to anything wrong? Coin. They are actually the same. So let me think for a while. about adding Quamolit example component but should be here. I think there's some problem in my environment, and there is actually something like Quamolit util iterate. And the code is here, so it should not be missing. But it tells me, it told me it's missing. It's just the code. I'll put it in now. So the blue one is covered by the red one. So now it's working, and I'm going to add something called define. So remember, this is a button that was that change when I click on this state. No arguments, actually signs, not state. Just turn it to true, and style if state red 0 1970, else blue 1970. click. No, but if I think it weird. Always better idea to use some very simple colors. Just totally blue. Now I'm going to add a click event, so it will respond to my where is the right? Where is it? Hope it's right. So I'm going to add a click event. I'm going to handle click. This add muted here. Different function, handle click, and here's the mutate. And remember, it's a function that comes with events and dispatch. Dispatch is going to mutate store, but when not do it, just mutate and with the call with state and click. No, it's not responding. Why? But why? Print line, click event. So click event is working, but the component debug state. I'm going to use this one. Quamolit component debug. That's why I don't like it. It's always too much brackets to manage. I'm not good at managing brackets. I think I've made a mistake. The group should be here. Group is undefined because it's an alias. So in the state is oh, I know. Actually, passing the state here and upstate here. So it updates. I click. So it's so this time body true false. Yeah. Okay. Finally managed to make it worked, but background animation define init instant. I'm going to add an instant here, which is the what? Which is the animation state. So if this is it's actually affect a map. So I'm kind of write it like this in this. Let's see. If so, it's the value and the vector velocity 0, and value if state is true, it's 1000, it's 0, or it's true, it's 1000, or it's 0. So is that too much? Or maybe 10? Anyway, and here's the function on tick. On tick is take some arguments like instant, elapsed, tick. I check here. Tick. Instant is tick elapsed. I rod and instant. Basically, I'm going to add it. I'm going to iterate instant here. Iterate instant. Yeah, iterate me. Iterate instant. So the value and the velocity and that's the key. That's the keyword we used in elapsed. Why it's not? I hate that. And the range. Lower bound, upper bound. Lower bound is 0, upper bound is 1. And enough. Update. So update is a best program. What else? Looks old state. If old state not equal old state. No state current state. I'm going to add the velocity. Instant state value velocity. I just add velocity. If state is true, velocity will be 0.113 or 3. I think it should be right. Fine amount tend tick. Just written instant here, I think, and not emitting on at here. Remove, remove. So by default, I use this one. Now I'm going to add the here free. Quite some functions, right? In terms, good thing of it's always tracking. My. So I'm going to debug this state. I'm going to debug instant. Yeah, it's actually more useful. Oh, why it's new? Is it because that I need? This is weird. On tick, it should return. Yeah, update is return. Instant. It should return stay here. Nothing happens. Okay. So the it's there is transition state. So I'm going to add the color here. That's tricky actually. I'm going to use a small function called twin. It's actually provided in here, and I'm going to check the API. So the target value is 0. If true. Oh no. Mistake again. Actually 1 is enough. I'm just going to animate this one, the hue value of HSI, and it's a twin between 0 to 0 and 140, and it's mapped to 0 and 1, and the varying variable is the value of instant. So let's check it. Oh, it should be here. Anyway, it's animating. Or maybe slower. 3 times slower. 3 times. Since it's transiting through the coloring, so it's not quite smooth in human eye, but it's very smooth in computer. And oh no, why do I write? Yeah, it's comment. I'm going to comment this out in the transition. So if I want to animate it very quickly, I should use RGB color, but RGB color is not so. I don't like RGB color. Anyway, so the color is like this at this moment. And or maybe I don't have to post I have passed the yellow and green color just here to here, from blue to cast with red directory and normal speed is now this is a button with animation, and if you want more animations, I'm going to add one more. So translate. I think I already translate here. And translate takes some arguments like style. Like style, yeah. A style like there is an X in the Y. I'm going to only use X here, and it will translate to 3 pixels. Nothing. No. How about 200? Anyway, it's working. So I'm going to minus 200 in the value of instant, because it's value of instant is 0 to 1. So it should be yeah. It works. Make it more smooth. No, it's not smooth. But if I turn it to 40, it should be better. Yeah, it's working. Yeah. And how about the rotation? Rotate, style, angle minus 40, value instant, and let right be here. It should rotate, but the rotate is not here currently. Rotate. Yeah. Some problems. Yeah. There might be some problems to for the state too, because this one is actually cover the state of yes, they're using them. I don't know, but it's not working for a while, but it's working now. So this is a transition example. It's very long example. Wait a minute. Looks bizarre. Do you like the price? I think it's too boring to use this price. So anyway, I've finished the demo, and it will be on GitHub soon, and the video should be on you will see YouTube. Okay, thanks.